This Gotham steel oven-safe fry pan in ocean blue is quite handy. And it looks good too. The non-stick surface means food does not stick easily. So cooking is simpler. Also, cleaning up afterward is usually a breeze. And you might spend less time scrubbing at the sink. It feels fairly light, yet it seems sturdy enough for everyday use. And the pretty blue color adds a nice touch to your kitchen. The fact that this Gotham steel oven-safe fry pan can go into the oven up to 500 degrees is a big plus. You can start cooking on your gas stovetop and then move it right into the oven to finish. This makes dishes like frittatas or even baked chicken much easier because you use just one pan. Plus, the aluminum material helps the pan heat up quickly and evenly, which is important so your food cooks well without hot spots. Overall, the Gotham steel oven-safe fry pan seems like a solid choice for your kitchen. It offers a good non-stick experience. And it is oven-safe for added convenience. While it might not have the heft of cast iron or the multi-layer construction of some tri-ply pans, it gets the job done for everyday cooking. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-clean pan that won't break the bank, this ocean blue Gotham steel pan is worth considering. Pros: non-stick surface, easy to clean, oven safe to 500 degrees F, gas stovetop okay, aluminum build, lightweight, heats evenly, good value, attractive look, ceramic coating. Cons: non-stick may diminish over time, not suitable for induction stoves. Some find the 10-inch size small. Discoloration reported by some users. Handles can feel wobbly. Non-stick coating can scratch. Food may stick after some use. Coating may peel or chip. Uneven heating reported. Difficult to clean. Burnt food. Features: 10-inch, ocean blue, ceramic non-stick, frying pan, aluminum, gas stovetop, compatible. Oven safe, up to 500 degrees, Gotham steel. This Gotham steel 10-inch frying pan in ocean blue has a ceramic non-stick surface, so food should slide off easily. It's made of aluminum, which helps heat spread evenly when you cook on a gas stove. You can also put this pan in the oven up to 500 degrees. Gotham steel makes this pan. This Gotham steel 10-inch frying pan has a ceramic non-stick surface, is made of aluminum, and can be used on gas stoves and in ovens up to 500 degrees. It's lightweight, heats food evenly, and is easy to clean, which many people find to be a good deal and nice looking. However, the non-stick might not last forever. It can't be used on induction stoves, and some people think the size is a bit small. There have also been reports of discoloration, wobbly handles, the non-stick coating scratching, food sticking after some use, and the coating possibly peeling or chipping, as well as some saying it doesn't heat evenly and burnt food can be hard to clean.